How to add friends on Snapchat web. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add friends on Snapchat web, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now in order to go ahead and then basically add friends on Snapchat web, it's actually quite very simple to do, because previously Snapchat wouldn't allow us to do such thing, but now when you go to web.snapchat.com and then you log into your Snapchat account, you can actually go ahead and then add some friends by clicking on this little plus icon here, then clicking on accept or add friend. Now you can also search for a specific username in this case here. Then once you search for username, you'll find a list of people available where you can just click on the add button right next to their name, and then they will get successfully added to your friends list. This way you can go ahead and then add friends on Snapchat web. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.